go to the hotel. Okay, they prepare salad, they prepare food, as long as there is no meat. Okay, inshallah, the person who made it, he is a Muslim. Maybe he's Muslim or not. It is enough. Anywhere in India, maybe he was a Muslim. That's enough. Okay, eat it. That's enough. Should I go and ask? No. They want to tell you. You know, some of us are, I don't want to listen. Don't listen. You're afraid. Who told? Some people say, wait, do you know this chocolate is made? Who told you to read? Don't read. And you read, why you are telling me? They make problem for themselves. You know, I want to know what is made of. Oh, some. Don't give me, I want to eat. That's all. Even if we can easily read, it's not necessary to read. Who said? Everything is clean unless you swear, I swear to God it is najas. Can you swear to God that it is najas? You cannot swear. As long as you cannot swear, everything is clean. So any person you see in the market, maybe he's Muslim. Everything, you're free. You eat something, maybe he's. Any shops, maybe is enough. Unless you become sure that it is 100% najas. And it's not necessary to check if somebody is telling you, it's not, I don't want to listen. To be free, I don't want to listen. Islam didn't make it very hard, but we don't know. Somebody, when I was in America, I remember one person has gone and found behind the chocolate, what is it? Then he found, oh yes, I'm going to call this company and ask from what it is made. And he was coming and said, Mosavi, give me the speaker. Excuse me, sister, brother and sisters, this Kit Kat is haram because of... Who told you? Who told you to go to church? And you know it, who told you to come and tell the people, let them eat? So we make it problem for ourselves, otherwise it's not. Yes.
So does it mean we can go outside and eat from Hindus' hotel?
Anything, you know, as long as you say, maybe one person is Muslim there, yes, you can eat. As long as you say, again I repeat, anything you believe that the Hindu touched it and his hand was wet, 100%, I swear to God, you cannot eat it. If you cannot say such a thing, yes, eat.
So doesn't it mean that somewhat it is restricting our knowledge? Like we cannot research about that.
No. You know, you can research, but you make the life more difficult for yourself. I say it's not necessary. Don't do it. Because, you know, you go and search and come and say, Mosavi, it is difficult, we cannot live like that. Who told you to go to do such a thing? Somebody is coming to tell you, I don't want to listen. I give you one riwayah, it is very good to keep it in your mind. Inshallah, you'll remember me. We have narration that Imam Sadiq, peace be upon him, wanted to go to bathroom. In that time, there was not water just like that. A little water. Imam was going to toilet, and he was worried that maybe some water, when he wants to wash himself, from that water which was najas, maybe it splashes a little on his clothes. Okay? What did Imam do? Imam, before going to toilet, he put some water in his clothes. He said, when I go there, if some water will splash in my clothes, I don't understand. And he did like that. And he washed himself again. Your clothes is wet. It is najas. No, I don't know. Maybe. So when we know something is in Iran, it's not difficult. Okay, if we check, it is. We don't eat this restaurant, we go another restaurant. But here you face problem everywhere. Excuse me, are you Muslim? But your wife is Muslim? When did you marry? How many children you have? For what? I want to buy a sandwich. Oh my God. No, Islam is okay, thank you very much. It was a very good time. Inshallah, we hope to see you again. And inshallah, to try to study your lessons, at the same time try to get the knowledge. Alhamdulillah, brother.
Say about the new issue, American President Trump said we make capital for Jews.
First of all, I believe, maybe this is a blessing for us that the President of America becomes Trump. You know, because Trump showed the real face of America at this time. He says every day he makes problem, not for Muslims only, for all over the world. Americans every day wake up, okay, what did Trump say? What did he tweet? And you know, one day he went and he said in this lecture that Sweden, what happened to Sweden? Do you remember? Sweden? One time he gave a lecture and he said, people here and there, they make problem, and like France, like Germany, Sweden. He said 3 times, Sweden. What happened in Sweden? After his lecture everywhere, they were telling in news, what happened in Sweden? Nothing. What happened in Sweden? Please, embassy of Sweden, what happened? Nothing. Capital of the Sweden, anything else? No, nothing happened. Here in different news, CNN, Fox News, here and there, until they went to the White House and said, excuse me, what happened in Sweden? They said, no, it is in the news. And the Sweden announced yesterday only 6 accidents, 1 car, 1 bicycle, 1 motor, nothing. What did he say? Until they said, oh yes, Trump has seen one movie, it belonged to some time ago, that there was some blast in Sweden, and he said, Alhamdulillah, thank God, as long as they are busy for themselves. And today they talk Urushalim, Beitul Maqdis. And Beitul Maqdis, of course, it is holy for all of us. And really it bothers us when some people who have power, they want to do everything by force. This is not only the issue for us. This is something that, thank God, even European countries, even some Arab countries who were friends with America, they said we cannot handle it. And it is a blessing for us because it is the entity of Muslims. When some people will come and put a lot of pressure on Muslims and say, this is our capital and we do whatever we want. We ask Allah to help the Muslims, to help the Islam, and by getting knowledge, inshallah, we will get the power in future, and definitely they cannot do anything. They plan and Allah plan, and Allah plan is going to work. Thank you.
Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa Rahmanir Rahim. Allahumma kulli walika al-Hujjat ibn al-Hasan salawatuka alayhi
زمان برای سلامتی مقام مرزم رهبری و برای سلامتی آیت الله سیستانی اجماعاً صلوات.
Among yourselves, you should understand that you made a connection to Iran. You was in Iran for 8 years. Alhamdulillah, he got a very good knowledge, and you can take a lot of advice from him and take the answer for a lot of questions that you have. God bless him. He could stay in home, but he left everything and stayed here only to be with you and enjoy to be with you. And I thank you a lot, really. And this is very good opportunity. I pray for all of you in Iran, in home, in the shrine of Imam Nizam, inshallah. And if you want to take it.
Thank
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.